Well, hello YouTube and welcome back to Retired for Life. So as you can tell from the thumbnail for this video, I haven't had the best start to this year. I have picked up a really bad case of plantar fasciitis. Now fortunately I had some videos ready ahead of time, but this hit me just before Christmas, and it's the 5th now of January, and it's still here, and it has gotten really very, very difficult to deal with. If you've ever had that, let me know. What have you done to deal with it? Because boy, I'm having trouble figuring it out. You go on the internet and there's all sorts of crazy ways to do it. Ways that make sense to do it, ways that they say, that's out of date, this is what you should be doing. Everybody and their brother has got an opinion, but I have got an appointment to go in for physio, and hopefully that's going to help. And the other thing I'm doing is trying to find some winter footwear that I can use that has got a little more cushioning in it and make it a little easier to walk around, because for a couple of weeks there I couldn't even walk. It was so bad it felt like somebody had peeled all the skin off of my heel, and anytime that heel went down it just was screaming painful. Anyway, we'll get in, see the physio, and see if I can find some footwear, some winter footwear that's going to help. So today is going to be a pretty simple video. You know, I'm up and around a little bit more, so we're down to Bowmore. Pretty easy to come down here on the snowmobile, and I'm not doing any work, which is kind of driving me crazy, but what are you going to do? I'm not doing any work, so I'm not up walking trails or anything like that. So it is painful but tolerable. So what we're going to do is go out and check a couple of trail cameras. I have got the E8 version 2 camera, as I've showed you guys a few times, not too far from here. We can pretty much take the snowmobile to it. So we're going to go out to that camera and pull the chip out of it. And then we are going to go get the other E8 camera, which is the version 1 with white flash. That's just set up in my front yard. We're going to go out and get the chip out of that and bring them in and have a look and see what kind of footage we've got from those two cameras. Well, folks, that was some pretty nice video clips. I really got a kick out of watching the young deer playing around in the front yard there, chasing each other. It was pretty clear that they weren't fighting or anything. They were just out there having fun. That's what the great outdoors is for. So I'll let you know in the next video where things are with this plantar fasciitis thing. Hopefully I will have made a little bit of progress, because boy, it's been painful. So thanks very much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And if you've been enjoying these videos, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I'd love it if you would consider subscribing to the channel. That really helps. We are through the big 2,000 mark. I'm really thrilled about that. And thank you very much to all the new subscribers and my regular subscribers for supporting the channel. It really makes this all worthwhile. So folks, remember to stay safe out there, be good to each other, and we'll see you out on the trails the next time.